Okay guys, so welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to be trying to restore the shine on all of these pedals. They've seen a little bit of use and they've become a little bit dull, so I'm going to try and restore all of this to the best I can. I have two products that I'm going to be trying out. One of them is Auto Soul. It's pretty common, and the other one is Mother's Matte and aluminum polish. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying different methods to polishing them. I also have my Dremel here attached, so I'm gonna be using this to buff the pieces out and try to get them to shine as much as I can. And yeah, in this piece right here, I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the camera or not, but the previous owner in Japan, actually I think he did try to polish it up, because I see polishing streaks going in this direction here and one this direction here as well, but not so much in the middle where it's a little bit difficult to get to. So I'm gonna be trying to polish all of this out and trying to get them pretty uniform and even surface. So yeah, I'm going to be doing the front and back side as well. So I'm going to be definitely doing a before and after shot to show you the difference between being polished and not being polished. Well, actually I can already show you. He did try to polish this one as well, I can tell, because there's a lot of streak marks going in one direction again, and not so much going down the middle where it's a little bit hard to get. So and this set right here I have actually polished. I did use only the Auto Soul and not Mother's, so you can already see the shine is so much more different than the one that the guy in Japan tried to do. So I'm gonna try and get it as close to a mirror finish as I can. And you can see the back side is equally shiny. I'm not sure if you guys can pick that up or not. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, let's get to polishing this up. Okay, so we can kind of already tell that using the buffing wheel is definitely going to be a lot better than hand polishing it, because this one was pretty much hand polished and I got it down pretty good for hand polishing. So yeah, and you can really see that the buffing wheel brought out more shine than it was before. But there's still, I mean, after buffing it, I can see pittings in the metal, you know, probably from debris on the shoe or something. So I don't think I can do much about that. I'm just gonna go wash this out now, and I'm gonna try this side with Mother's aluminum polish, and we'll see if it can bring back more shine or not. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back. I've washed it off from any remaining Auto Soul that might be left on there after cleaning it. So I'm gonna be using Mother's polish right now to see if I can bring more shine back to this. Only on the front side, because it's gonna take too long to do both sides. So yeah. Also, I'm not gonna be using this rag. I'm gonna be using another cloth. So I'm gonna be putting this aside. This cloth is just specifically for Auto Soul, and this one's gonna be for the Mother's polish. So yeah, let's get to polishing. Okay, so already, I mean, I can tell. Let me just clean this up a little bit. So already I can tell that using the Mother's Mag and aluminum polish really helped shine it a lot more compared to just using auto sol. But I'm not very sure if like auto sol cleaned up most of the junk in the first pass or not, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit more experiment on the others, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I finished polishing the top surface with Mother's Mag and aluminum polish, and I am astounded by the results. But then again, this is on an experiment for now, so I mean, you can already tell the difference between the two. This one just purely on auto sol, and this one is a mixture of both the auto sol and the Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. So right now I'm trying to figure out why the Mother's version, the Mother's polish, is so much better. I'm thinking that because the auto sol is more coarse, like the makeup, the composition of this paste has more polishing compound in it, like a more coarser polishing compound, and it took away a lot of the top coat of the grime. And the Mother's polishing compound is a lot more finer, and it produced a more mirror-like shine. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm going to be throwing up a before and after shot of this, so yeah. And then here's the Nismo, the other Nismo accelerator pedal that's solely polished by auto sol only. So yeah, you guys can see the difference. Ignore my black hand. Yeah. But the difference is astounding. Let me know what you guys think. I would definitely go with the Mother's aluminum polish for sure. Like, it works wonders compared to auto sol. Auto sol, I mean, you could probably use it for something more generic, you know, maybe like intercooler piping or your radiator stuff. So yeah, for the rest of it, I'm probably gonna be trying just using solely the Mother's polish to see if it can even get close to this. And if it can't, then I know that the auto sol helped in some way by removing the top coat, the top surface grime, and then the Mother's comes in and polishes up even better. Like, I mean, going from a normal sandpaper grit like 800 all the way up to 2000 grit, I mean, that's kind of the idea, I think. So yeah. Okay, so that was part one of the restoration video. I'll be doing a second part, and in the second part I'll be showing you guys different methods I've tried and which one is the best one to proceed with. So until then, do remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.